Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really appreciate your support. Definitely scroll down and hit the subscribe button for me before you leave. That way you'll become a part of the family and you'll help me to grow my platform. I have decided that I want to do giveaways whenever I reach a milestone. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 250 subscribers, 500 subscribers, and then at 1K. So you can help me get there and you can be a part of the giveaway if you subscribe, because that's the only way that you can win if you're subscribed. So make sure that you have your notification bell turned on. Make sure that you're commenting down below so that I know who you are and who's supporting me, so that when giveaway time comes, I will know who I can choose. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm gonna be saying it in my videos so that you know, so that when the time comes, we can come back to these videos and y'all can hold me accountable and say, hey, you said when you get to 250 subscribers, you was gonna do a giveaway. You said when you get 500 subscribers, you was gonna do a giveaway. I'm a person of my word, so I definitely will hold myself to it. Today's video I'm excited about because it's a haul, and Easter is upon us, and I really enjoy looking at all the fun spring colors and all the little bunnies and stuff. Is super cute. If you don't know, or if you're new, I am a mom. I'm a single mom to a 2-year-old, very busy 2-year-old, which, by the way, she's sitting right here. She's watching her show, so if you guys hear little noises or nursery rhymes and stuff, that's just my daughter, Brooke. Easter is coming up, and I did want to get this video out to you guys sooner, but we've pretty much been sick like all of the month of March, and I'm still dealing with some congestion. My ears have felt like I'm like on an airplane, or like going to the top floor of the Sears Tower, the Willis Tower. I'm from Chicago. So yeah, my head is still a little stuffy and congested, but I still wanted to get this video up. I didn't want it to be too close to Easter. At this point in time, I think we're like 2 weeks away from Easter, so the stores should hopefully have some stuff. So last year I did DIY my daughter's Easter basket. I just went to like Dollar Tree and got some cute little trinkets and put together a little basket for her. I did vlog that, so if I find the clip, I can just put it here so that you guys can see what last year's Easter basket was like. And this year, it seems like they pretty much put out the Easter stuff like right after Valentine's Day. So I went and just got stuff early because I didn't want it to all be gone and picked through and sold out or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I picked up. I went to Dollar Tree as well as Five Below and got some cute things, and I'm really excited about it and excited to show you. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys prefer to make your kids Easter baskets? Do you not do the Easter baskets? Do you prefer to just kind of buy something already made? I think it's a little cuter to make them, just because I like to put stuff together and make it look pretty and see, you know, how everything comes together. But whatever you do, that's cool. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so let's start with the basket itself. I thought this was so cute. I got this from Five Below, so it was like $5 or like $5.50. But yeah, I wanted the bunny ears, and I'm almost considering putting some little like eyes here and a nose and a mouth. I'm thinking about it. I need to look on Pinterest or something to see, but I just thought this was really cute, and I got it in white, you know, because we are Christian, so I know Easter It's not technically what we call it. We do refer to it as Resurrection Sunday, but you know, we just say Easter. But you know, I like the white because it symbolizes like rebirth, and I just thought it would be cute and sleek. They did have this in like baby pink and also kind of like a baby blue as well, but I liked the white one. And they have different variations of this. I've seen this kind of same basket at Target as well. If you want to spend a little bit more money, I think Crate and Barrel has something similar to this, but it's like $40. If you got that, go ahead. But yeah, I'm not spending $40 on a little basket for a toddler. So I got this at Five Below, so definitely check out Five Below. I'm gonna put a clip across the screen, but they had so many different baskets. I wanted to buy all of them. All right, and now I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I'm gonna put inside of the basket. So the first thing here, I thought these were so cute. These I got from Five Below as well. And I wanna say these were like $3.75 or something like that, maybe $4 and something, but just some cute little sunglasses, Minnie Mouse. I think these will be so cute for the summer, like when we go out on our walks and stuff. So I got these. This I actually got from Dollar Tree, and I actually got these last year and they went in her Easter basket last year. But I got these little bubble wands. These are just fun and cute for the spring and the summer months, and of course kids love bubbles, so I got those. From Dollar Tree, I got this book. I always try to include books in any gifts, like Christmas gifts, you know, Christmas stockings, birthday, because it's important that kids learn to read and, you know, learn to love books. So I want my child to, you know, like reading and like books, because knowledge is power. So I got this, and this is My Wonderful Springtime Friends, Little Lamb. It's just a cute little book for kiddos. I got this from Dollar Tree as well, and this is an Easter flying disc. Oh, okay, I see what you do with it. So this will be kind of cute to go in her basket. She can just play with this outside. So I picked that up. And of course, like bunnies like carrots. So I just thought that was cute. And I got this. I want to say I got this at Five Below. Yeah, I got it at Five Below. So this is a cute little glitter egg, and it's huge. And I kind of wanted the gold to go with the white. And I think that'll be really cute. So I got this gold egg that I'm going to fill up with some stuff. From Dollar Tree, I got this Easter grass, and then you gotta have this to put inside of the basket. I didn't know if I wanted to do colors or gold, like the gold grass, but I just picked the color one, so that's gonna be cute. Clearly, I was into the gold and white this year. This is an egg, obviously, but yeah, this one you can just kind of fill up with some stuff, so I'm gonna fill this up with some stuff too. More golden eggs. I kept her basket from last year, so I do need to get maybe some jelly beans or something so that I can fill these up, and she can do like a little Easter egg hunt. And what is Easter and springtime without chalk? Like, do you guys remember chalk and drawing on the ground outside, like writing your name, drawing little hearts with your name and your little boo's name at the time, and hopscotch? Like, I guess I'm saying my age, because I don't even know if kids these days know what hopscotch is. Like, do these kids know about hopscotch and like jump rope and stuff? Double dutch? Like, is that something that kids do anymore, or is it just TikTok and video games and computers? Because let me know what your kids do. If you have older kids, let me know, because it seems like these kids these days, they are out of touch, and they don't have like how we had it, where we would actually go outside and do things. So Anyway, I got some chalk, and these are egg-shaped chalks. She actually has an activity desk and a chalkboard, so she can use this on her little chalkboard. But aren't these so cute? Like, I just think this is such a cute idea. It's like eggs in a carton, and it's so cute. And this I got from Dollar Tree, so it was $1.25. Super cute. This is also from Dollar Tree. It's a little hopping toy, and it's a bunny. Oh, wait, it's doing something. Okay, we'll figure that out later. But anyways, it's a little hopping toy, and it's a cute little bunny, so I got that. And then my favorite part of Easter is the candy. So I got some candy. Obviously, she's not gonna eat all of this. I will, just kidding. But yeah, I got some candy here. I want to go back and see if they have another one of these for me, because I love the Hershey's cookies and cream. It's like one of my favorite candies. So I might go back to Dollar Tree, you guys, and see if I can find a couple of these for myself. But yeah, I got this, and I just think it's cute, the little bunny. I love the holiday themed chocolates, like the Reese's Easter eggs and like the Christmas themed candies. Super cute. So I got this, and it looks like it's going to be absolutely delicious. And then I just got some more candies here just to put inside of the eggs, and, you know, kind of decorate. I actually think Dollar Tree's chocolate is not that bad. I know it's not like real chocolate, and the ingredients here, you know, aren't great at all, but it's just a holiday. It's just some candy. It's just for fun. You gotta live a little bit, or a lot of it, because life is very short and tomorrow is not promised. So live a little. So yeah, I got some Easter eggs, and then these are the peanut butter filled ones, which I guess would be like a dupe to like Reese's. So yeah, I just got those. And some Easter egg lollipops. These are really cute. So I'm gonna use them to kind of like decorate the basket a little bit. So yeah. So yeah, you guys, that was everything that is going in my child's Easter basket. I got all of this from Five Below and Dollar Tree, so super affordable. I didn't spend a whole lot of money or go over budget. Did I get more than we probably need? Yes. But that's okay. Like, none of this stuff is gonna go to waste. If I don't use it this year, I can always use it next year. I hope you all enjoy this cute little quick video, and I'm sure you guys will have more videos from me before Easter, but I definitely wanted to say I hope you all enjoy your Easter holiday. If you celebrate, I hope you have a fun field day and that the weather is nice. Y'all, it is snowing here today in Chicago. It's snowing. After we had pretty nice weather for a couple of weeks, now it's gonna be cold all this week, and it is flurries outside right now. So yeah, hopefully the weather will allow for some fun and some sunshine, church, good food, family, friends. Just enjoy yourself. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's in your child's Easter basket, or if you're an auntie or uncle or cousin or something, teacher, and you want to get your kiddos something cute and fun, check out Dollar Tree and Five Below. Don't forget, follow me on my social media, Instagram and TikTok, but we don't know what's gonna be happening with TikTok Y'all, we don't know what's going on with TikTok, but still follow me on there for the time that we do have TikTok. But yeah, you guys, my child's kind of destroying things. So I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I